Hi everybody, this is Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. Today we're going to talk about the Valet Parking Mode feature of your car. It's a very useful feature to be able to secure your valuables as well as your personal information. Let's get in the car and see how it's done, okay? Very valuable to be able to lock people out of your trunk, if you have a trunk in your car, as well as your iDrive system, which will keep all your personal information secure. Information such as your contact records or home address and recent destinations will be inaccessible in Valet Parking Mode. First, you'll have to start out in an existing driver profile. If you have any questions about setting that up, please refer to a previous video on how to do that. But from within the driver profile, we'll just swipe down to get this top menu from your iDrive screen, and that's where we find Valet Parking Mode. Click on that. It's going to require you to enter a PIN. If you didn't already set up a PIN in your driver profile, you'll have to do it here. You'll have the option of locking your trunk as well, and then you simply click Activate Now. And at that point, the system will convert over to Valet Parking Mode and everything's locked out. Very useful, very easy, and very simple to do. Now, to inactivate Valet Parking Mode, you'll see from the screen here that your driver profile will be displayed. Simply select your driver profile, enter your PIN, and that's it. It'll bring us back to your normal driver profile. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please post any questions or comments you have down below as well. As always, we'd love to see you here at your local BMW dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.